In this video, we're going to talk about my year of YouTube and what's next. Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to talk about my year of YouTube and then also what's next. I suppose the first question is, why did I start my YouTube channel in the first place? And that's because when I first bought Fern, I'd watched lots of videos on YouTube and there wasn't that many out there that were actually from the owners themselves. Yes, there are lots of videos reviewing the cars and YouTubers saying that they're living with the caterham, but really they've just had it for a week. And I wanted to provide some content that I personally would like to watch myself and also from an owner. So that's why I started my YouTube channel, but why did I decide to release a video every week for this year? And to be honest, I'm not really sure why. And if I realised the kind of time implications, which I'll come on to later, then I pretty much definitely wouldn't have done. But I thought I wanted to make sure that there's more content out there, and if I gave myself a goal, which was quite an ambitious goal if we're being honest, then more content would definitely be out there. And I know nobody would really care if I didn't release a video every week of this year, even though I said I would, but when I set myself a goal, I always try and make them. And really, I'd only be letting myself down really, but in a way that's worse. So what a year it's been. And as you can see from a lot of my videos, especially if you've been subscribed for quite a long time, is we've done lots this year. We've done the NC500, we had the 50th year of Caterham at Donington Park, which was brilliant. And it was so nice to see Caterham and the Caterham Related 7 Club being together and working together, and also seeing all of the racing. We've done a fair few track days and a sprint day. What else have I done? We've done a skip pan day on my birthday. That was, again, really, really good fun. And hopefully it comes across on the videos. Myself, I've learned a lot, especially with creating and editing videos. Sometimes I cringe when I look at some of my earlier videos because I know that I can do a lot better now. And I guess that's also partly why I've done this. I really like learning and learning new things. And I'd like to think that my videos are a lot better now than they were at the beginning of the year. So as I said before about the time, well, it's impossible for me to carry this on, to keep releasing a video a week. If you look at the main YouTubers and people that do YouTube for a full-time job, sometimes they struggle to release a video a week. And to be honest, I'm really quite surprised that I've ended up to be able to do this. But I really underestimated the time that it would take to do. But it has been enjoyable, don't get me wrong. But it's definitely unsustainable to keep this going throughout next year. Yes, I'm definitely going to keep creating videos, but what the release schedule will be, I'm not sure. I'll give you an update on that one. Maybe once every other week is more realistic, but it all depends really, I'm not totally sure. I also don't want to produce content for the sake of it. I want to make sure that I concentrate on quality as well, which hopefully I've done already. So what does this mean for next year? I've still got lots of ideas, but some of them do cost money. And unfortunately, I'm not the richest owner in the world, which is why I actually daily it, because it's the only way I can afford to have a caterer. But what I'm going to try and work on, and maybe it might not happen, is maybe get a sponsorship or someone to sponsor me for a couple of videos to maybe help with some of the cost. But then again, maybe nobody will want to. I'd like to thank all of you for viewing and especially for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So it's been so nice, especially at the fish and chip run at the beginning. There were so many people that came up to me to say thanks for making the videos, and I've always said to myself, if making videos helps one person, then well, it's worth it. But I'm not asking for thanks all the time or anything like that. I don't mean it to sound like that. All I'm saying is I've really appreciated the feedback that I've got from people, and also that they've been, you know, enjoying the videos. Because, well, that's why I've decided to make them in the first place. One question that I have for you is, are there any videos that you would like me to make, or any ideas that you might have? If so, please leave them in the comment section below. And now for a small montage of what I've done this year, and hopefully you will see that I've had a lot of fun. Oh my god! Oh man, that tastes horrible.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay empowered for a long time. Get up, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Got my McDonald's, and it's a tough job making these videos, but someone's got to do it. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It makes a big difference to a small channel like mine. And don't forget, every stone chip tells a story, and I'll see you in the next one.
As you fade away.